Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Super happy to see everyone here. Happy Louis Vuitton Day guys, and you know what that means. For today's episode, I'm going to share to you up and coming Louis Vuitton bags. Yes, you know our practice here. I will be putting everything that you need to know from prices, product codes, product features, and launch dates. All you need to do is just kindly ready your phone to take a screenshot, and for pre-orders, kindly check with your CAs or the website. So I'm inviting you all to please watch until the end of our episode, and happy shopping! Hi guys, Ron here, Suking Budgetarian Fashionista. I publish vlog every Wednesdays and Saturdays about fashion. I do luxury shopping vlogs, hauls, and unboxings. I also do bag reviews and provide styling tips. I'm inviting you all to please join our ever-growing fam. There's a cute little icon here. So please click on this one so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Please help me reach my 4,000 to 5,000 subbies this year. I would really appreciate it. And kindly like and share this video and follow me on my new Instagram account. That's at Ramiro52 for daily updates and styling tips coming from me. Alright, so let us start with the continuation of the Murakami Drop 3. So first we have the Posh Toilette. Price of this one is 1,400 euro. Material is Monogram Canvas with cherry detail. It would have cowhide leather trims, red interior, and gold hardware. This collection would be launching May 22nd, 2025. You know I love this bag. Posh Toilette. Then we have Mini Mirror. For price standby, but kindly take a screenshot of the SKU for your reference from the Murakami Cherry Collection Drop 3. Materials Monogram Canvas with cherry print, cowhide leather trims. It comes of course with the Murakami Cherry Charm, which is very cute, and it has gold hardware. Next on the collection, we have the Lisa Wallet. Price of this one is 630 euro. Material is still the same, which is the Monogram Canvas. So the cherry detail on this one is very minimal. One large cherry on the side, and it would have a red leather interior with gold hardware. Next on the collection, we have another SLG. So hopefully I would be pronouncing this right. So it's Port Carts Magnet. Price of this one is 450 euro. So this one guys is you could put this at the back of your phones, and then of course it has cart inserts, so you could carry this one everywhere you go. So it has the same material and very minimal Murakami cherry design detail. Then we have sunglass case. Price of this one is 595 euros. As you can see, the combination of Monogram Canvas with cherry detail, and of course it has a large portion of the untreated or vachetta cowhide leather trims. It would come also with gold hardware, and the interior is red as well. Next, we have a very beautiful Horizon 55. So this one, guys, if you have the fonts, definitely check out the Horizon 55, which would be perfect for travel. I love the design detail. Actually, I do love this collection, guys. The cherry monogram, or the Monogram Canvas with cherry detail, it complements each other very beautifully. Next guys, we have trunks. So first we have the coffret accessories. Price of this one is 12,000 euro. We have SKU here, M13711. Material is Monogram Canvas with cherry print. It would have untreated vachetta leather trims. It comes with red interior, and it would have gold hardware as well, launching May 22nd. And then another trunk, we have the Lozine car. Hopefully I'm pronouncing it right. Price is 55,000 euro. SKU M14250. So if you want a very beautiful trunk, then definitely check this one out, because I feel this is very timeless, even though it has the cherry detail Murakami print. Next, we have Spell on You. So guys, please take note. So this one from the Murakami Drop 3 collection. So first we have the travel case for 100 ml, and the price of this one is 750 euro, which is made of Monogram Canvas. Then of course, if you're going to purchase just the Spell on You, price is 340 euro. Hi guys, thank you for watching today's episode. Just a quick shout out for today's sponsors. Guys, you can now custom order your Zumoni bag organizers, bag accessories such as pouches, dust bags, and many more. And best part is you can now get 20% discount using my discount or coupon code Ramiro5. What I love having a Zumoni bag organizer is I customize to the way I like it. I chose a base material, collar, I added interior pocket, zipper, D-ring, and I added a base shaper to keep the structure of my luxury bags. Head on over now guys to Zumoni.com and order and customize your very own bag accessories. Thank you to Zumoni.com for sponsoring this part of this video, and now back to our vlog. Thank you guys! Alright, so next we are going to discuss accessories and bag charms. First we have the Micro Speedy. Price of this one guys, 990 euros. Super expensive. So the material is denim with monogram with cherry, and then of course it would come with cowhide leather trim. So guys, please take note that this is a very teeny tiny bag charm. Then we have the Maxi Dragon. Hopefully I'm pronouncing that right. Price of this one is 525 euros. So this could work as a keychain as well. So the main material is denim with the Louis Vuitton monogram. It would come with cowhide vachetta leather trims. I love the Murakami cherry charm that it comes with. Then it comes of course with gold hardware. Next we have the Dragon telephone. So this one guys, so you could attach this one to our phone. As you can see, the gold part is where you are going to put this on the underneath of your phone and the casing of it. Then of course it is made of chain detail and denim monogram. Then of course what I love of course would be the Murakami cherry charm. Then we have bracelets. Price of this one is 410 euro. SKU is M89772. Main material is classic monogram brown canvas. Then of course it would come with gold detailing, gold hardware, gold LV charm, and of course the red Murakami charm detail. Next we have earrings. So if you love quirky design such as myself, price of this one is 590 euro. So this is earrings. So these are for pierced ears, as you can see. So it would have LV logo. Then of course the Murakami cherry is a drop style. So for me guys, I'm not really sure if I would be wearing this, but I love the cherry logo clasp. Then we have the necklace. So this one I feel much more better because the cherry is very minimal and teeny tiny, as you can see. So this is a gold tone necklace. So guys, please take note, these are costume jewelries, not real jewelry, not made of real jewelry or real gold. Price of this one is 790 euro. Next on the collection, we have the denim bracelet. Price of this one is 450 euro. We have SKU here. Material is denim monogram, and of course it would come with the Louis Vuitton charm, as we could see here close up, and it would come with Murakami cherry charm. It is gold toned, and of course it would come with gold hardware as well. Next on the collection, we have the Bijou Sac de Chain. So this is perfect as a bag charm. So you could attach two of the lobster class, let's say for a Speedy or maybe an Alma BB. So made of gold tone chains, gold tone hardware, and it would come with the Louis Vuitton cherry charm as well on one side. Then it would come with LV charm as well in the middle. Then next we have Bandeau. So guys, it would come in white. Price is 230 euro. It would also come in the denim colorway, and the price of that one is 230. I love the combination of the colorway of the denim, and it would also come in the classic brown monogram canvas design, which is also the same price, 230 euro. There, did you enjoy our episode for today? If you have stayed until this part of this episode, kindly leave me a shopping bag emoji. I would really appreciate it. Thank you! Before we end our episode for today, I'm inviting you all to please join our ever-growing fam by clicking this cute little icon here. So please click on this so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Please like and share this video and follow me on my new Instagram account, that's at Ramiro52, for daily updates and styling tips coming from me. A million thank you for staying with me in today's episode. I'm going to leave a couple of videos here for you to check out. Please stay safe. I'm going to see each and every one of you soon. Bye!